report. They're circling around. They're here for this. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sean. This is Dreamcars Daily, and we're in Maryland again. Every time you spin a car in Detroit, you get in trouble, like especially when you have the YouTube logos on it. However, in Maryland, the police show up and they just kind of politely ask you to leave. So here we are. Gonna be a little spin session tonight. I did bring extra wheels and tires with me. I'm hoping we can get those swapped on and maybe Rebecca can take it out and swing it a little bit. I'm supposed to tell you where we're going.
Oh, come on, man. Come on.
You like the rap, though?
The MI raps.
Yeah, look up. Well, no, look up Dreamcars Daily. Say hi to everybody on YouTube.
Hi, everybody on YouTube.
The cop. I didn't get the camera rolling in time. The cop's like, "Oh, I've seen that guy before. I know you."
Do we actually know him?
I think he was there one of the last times this happened.
Oh, when we had the Gallardo and the Lotus out?
Yeah, he was super cool. They're literally directing traffic. Detroit will take your car. Maryland police help you get out. I'm gonna go say hi to the police because that sounds like a terrible idea and I'm really good at those. But apparently not that one because there's nobody there. How you doing? I wanted to say hi. I have a YouTube channel and I film people doing stupid things.
Well, you came to the right place tonight.
And I filmed this in Detroit before and they treat this completely differently than you guys do. I'm curious, like in Detroit, they swarm the guys, they arrest people, and you guys just kind of show up and you're like, it's time to go.
Well, I'll leave it to your YouTube channel.
You were right, they don't like it.
They don't like what?
They don't like me filming. I don't think he wanted to be on camera.
So I just got off the phone with my homeboy. They at the other lot, spot 4, before this lot, and he said they had spike strips at every exit, and they can't get out, and the police is on the side of the road with their lights off. I don't know what's bound to happen. I just don't know.
So we went to that spot,
right?
And I saw the police sitting there. I actually got out and I tried to talk to him.
Right.
And he's like, I'll just leave you to your YouTube, and he walked away. Because I was trying to figure out what was going on because they're just sitting there and they're letting everybody go in. There's 3 or 4 police just letting everybody go into that lot. They're just letting them go. I'm like, something didn't feel right, and I left.
Right.
And I think we made a good decision tonight.
Yeah, and I told him,
I never make good decisions. What is happening right now? Like, I am the king of bad decisions. I'm like, this is a bad idea, I go first. Tonight, I was like, something doesn't feel right.
It doesn't. And he said they all might get cited tonight, so now they're trying to figure out what they're going to do. I told my homeboy just to drive hop the sidewalk, drive on the sidewalk. That's the best bet.
Yeah, man, you're trying to tell these people to pull some Detroit stuff. Detroit boys is like, I'll drive through the fence, over the sidewalk, and you ain't following me.
It's about to get real hectic. I just know that. So I don't know what they're going to do, but we at the last spot. So we want to bound to see what's going to happen. Hope they get out with safe, because if not, there's going to be a lot of flat tires, and unless somebody go wear all black and pull the spike strips or within that nature.
Wait, you're wearing all black, bro?
Hey, I'm at lot 5. I'm at spot 5.
Somebody's got to take one for the team.
Somebody got to take one for the team.
Support. They're circling around. They're here for this. They were just flashing us. They're here. I don't know if you can see the flashing. The helicopter's definitely here to take note or what. I mean, so obviously the police are. They've had the spotlight pointed literally like right at us for the past 15 seconds. That guy's gonna